My name's Catalina. I'm from Romania and I'm a master's student at UAL. I created this little piece inspired by a ritual that I did for the past month where I put different plants under my pillow and slept with them, made a connection with them, and it was inspired by a traditional Romanian myth. Um, where people girls especially put basil under the pillow to dream of their husband. I think I learned a lot about myself and my origins as well, going back to this traditional part of Romania. And I think also collaborating and trusting that everything's going to come together was a big part. At first it was a bit weird. I didn't exactly know how that could work. And then when I started feeling more and more connected as I was doing the ritual, I kind of started to understand the importance they have in our life and how big they are in our life, even if we don't always realize it. I think I want people to see the traditional side of where they come from, but also try to understand how that would fit in our society now.
My name is Theresa and I'm from Ghana. My contribution is actually based on my ritual and my relationship with seeds, where I actually embodied different kinds of seeds and had moments with them. So I actually hold them for a moment and allow myself to have some kind of connections with them. And I took my ritual to the next step by actually planting my seeds. So I've embodied different kind of seeds and I've planted different kind of seeds where I have map that I plant different kind of seeds on my daily routine to uni and also to my accommodation. My biggest learning moment was when I actually embodied the seed by planting myself and trying to understand what the seed goes through beneath the soil. I think that it was an unforgettable experience for me. I think that I currently have a very deep relationship with seeds and I feel very connected to them. I try to look at what they go through and how vulnerable they go through and how they kind of have to go to different phases to reproduce new things. I'm hoping that visitors will be able to connect with the seeds and understand the moment of renewal and recreation.